Many people strive to achieve more in this material world, even though they have already gained much worldly success. Even though Islam does not prohibit this type of mentality, as long as unlawful things are avoided, a Muslim should understand an important reality. It is obvious that peace of mind is not obtained with many worldly possessions, such as wealth. In fact, these people are often the ones who end up depressed to the point they even commit suicide. Human worldly desires have been created in such a way that no matter what one obtains, they always desire more irrespective of their faith and social status. For example, Pharaoh, who lived in the time of the Holy Prophet Moses, peace be upon him, obtained every worldly blessing imaginable, yet he still did not obtain peace of mind and satisfaction. Instead, his desire for more pushed him to such a stage that he desired to be worshipped like a god. Chapter 79 and Naziat, verse 24.
And said, I am your most exalted Lord.
No matter what desires a person fulfills, it only leads them to desiring more things. A person who owns 2 houses wants 3. The millionaire wants to become a billionaire. It is why the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, warned in a narration found in Sahih Bukhari, number 6439, that the person who has 1 valley of gold would only desire another. A Muslim who desires true peace of mind, which is more valuable than the treasures of the earth, should therefore limit their worldly desires. The more they limit them and only fulfill their necessities and responsibilities, the more they will obtain peace of mind. This mentality closes the doors of preoccupation and striving for more worldly things, which in turn gives rest to both the mind and body. If a Muslim couples this with striving in the obedience to Allah, the Exalted, which involves fulfilling His commands, refraining from His prohibitions, and facing destiny with patience, then they will be granted true peace of mind, which extends to every aspect of their life in both worlds. But the more worldly desires they have, the more their mind and body will be preoccupied with them, and thus the further from true peace of mind they will be. Over 400 free ebooks, audiobooks, infographics, podcasts and blogs available on our website, www.shaykhpod.com.